Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is kind of going to be a cool video. I'm going to break this down into 3 parts. Unboxing, which I already unboxed because I'm like, whatever, that's boring to me. I like just to see the parts and get right to the point. Install, how to install, and also a ride. Yeah, stick around. I think you're going to like this. Welcome back to the channel. This is sort of where it gets serious. After driving the car for a little bit, after putting the new cam and headers and everything, I noticed the suspension being really sloppy. Control arm bushings. I searched for control arms and a Panhard bar for the rear of this car to help plant the back of the car better. But what I found is that out there you have 2 types of companies. You have the cheap Chinesian companies that just cut corners and give you basically crap. You have the really high-end companies who give you really good stuff but really expensive. I mean, super expensive, where the average person, it's to spend $500, $600, $700, $800 on control arms and Panhard bar, and it's crazy. And then on eBay I saw this company, Steinjager. I'm like, who the hell is Steinjager? I've never heard of this company, and it clicked in my head. They make Jeep parts. And believe it or not, I didn't realize they made F-body control arms and Panhard bars, rear sway bar. If I can convince them to make a torque arm, would be really cool also, but that's another topic. I saw that the prices were really good, really competitive, and they looked really good in pictures. Picked up the old phone and called a guy named Adam. He picked up right away. Hello, how are you? Very courteous. He knew the products inside and out. And did I mention, it's made in the USA. Right here, in the USA. What I picked up here are double adjustable control arms. They make different types of control arms. They have non-adjustable, half adjustable, poly on poly, spherical, all that kind of stuff. But since this is mainly going to be a street car, I picked, I think, the best of both worlds. Spherical on one end, which goes to the chassis, and poly that goes to the rear end. But the key point to this is that the price, and I'll list the price and I'll list all the information in here, but just hear me out and listen to the video and what I'm feeling for this product here. When I talk to a lot of these companies, either they don't want to deal with you, they don't want to talk to you, they always rush you to get off the phones, or they don't know anything about the product. And when I spoke to Adam, he knew everything about the product. I'm going to give you something here. I said, listen, I want to do a YouTube video on this company. I want to check out your product here. And he wrote me a hand note. A hand note. That is something you don't get too often. Explaining the diameter of the tubing. And I'll post that into the link and everything like that. The information on all this stuff is made by them. And this is actually a sub-company that was founded in 1964. Now, I don't want to get it wrong, the details and everything, so that's why I pulled up their information. This company is owned by Midwest Control Products Corp., which they began operation 1967, and they fabricate all of this. They've been doing this stuff since 1967. They're out of Illinois. Did I mention made in the USA? How rare is that, to get a good product with a decent price made in the USA? I didn't assemble the rear Panhard bar because I wanted to show you the components, and he also sent me a prop that they had on one of their shows just to show you the beefiness of this control arm, and just the welds are really fantastic, and the components that they use. Look at this. Look how thick that is. Look at that spherical bushing. Look at that. That is just fantastic. And also I want to note too, when you're buying control arms for your vehicle, I always suggest get a little bit better. They make ones that are non-adjustable, but if you're going to spend the money, you might as well get adjustable. And not only single adjustable, but double adjustable. And what I mean by that is that a lot of the cheaper brands have just a single adjustment right here. And basically, what's a pain in the ass with that is that you got to take the control arm off, spin it to wherever you want it, measure it, put it back together again. And it's just a real pain. But with this, these are double adjustable. So that means when it's up in the car, you get all your measurements and everything like that. You turn, you unlock this, unlock that, and just turn it. And it has left and right hand threads, and it expands and contracts exactly where you want to put the suspension components. Did I tell you this is made in the USA? I still can't get over it. Also, another key feature, I mean, just the beefiness of these things. These things are just like, I just can't believe it. Comes with the Zerk Fittings to properly lubricate the bushings. A lot of your cheaper brands don't even have a Zerk fitting. You got to drill and tap it and put a Zerk fitting in there. These babies ain't gonna flex. Comes, again, double adjustable, but just look at the beefiness. It's just like, I feel like a barbell, just like, you know. I don't know. I can't wait to put them on. That'll be a later video. Steinjager. Made in the USA. Oh yeah. Tell Adam I sent you.